Hello, friends. Today I have a beautiful book with me, I Love You For, authored by Dr. Paramita Mukherjee Malik. It is a beautiful book in the sense that it is all about love. And let me read out part of the preface where she talks about the title of the book, I Love You For. I Love You For. Most of the poems express a mother's love for her child. The title of the book, I Love You For, has an interesting story behind it. My only child, the princess of my heart, had just started speaking then. She used to cup my face with her tiny hands and say, Mama, I love you. And I used to answer back, I love you too. She used to then say, I love you for. I never had corrected her, as I found it very sweet. Almost all the poems here are my emotional expressions when I had to leave my child for her college last year. So this is part of the preface, and this portion touched me immensely. So the book has 5 blurbs, and I'm so happy to tell you that the blurbs have been written by Sapna Mehra, Luz Maria Lopez from Puerto Rico, Virginia Jasmine Pasalo from Philippines, and Padmaja Iyengar Paddy and me. And incidentally, I know all these 4 poets and I have met them and stayed with them. So I was very, very happy to see these blurbs, beautifully written. And I would just like to recite a tiny poem from this book, this beautiful book. And yes, before I start, I would also like to mention this wonderful note that I received with the book, where she says that my heartfelt gratitude to you for the heart-touching blurb for my book, I Love You For. So it's a beautiful, and I am going to, Paramita ji, I am going to cherish this letter. Thank you so much. So this is the poem that I am going to read. The fledgling flew away. The fledgling flew away. The fledgling flew away from its mother's lap. When did it grow up? When did its wings flap? The fledgling flew away from its shelter. No longer scared of brickbats or pelter, the fledgling moved away from its nest to fly around the world and to be with the rest. The fledgling moved away from its own. It flew away and its mother was all alone. For years and years, the same ritual goes on and on. A fledgling leaves its mother when it grows up and moves on. Such a tiny little, beautiful little poem. And I Love You For is also a beautiful book. And I want all of you to get hold of this book. And it has been published by Story Mirror. The cover is also a beautiful one. Thank you once again, Paramita Mukherjee Malik. And I just loved reading all the poems. Thank you so much.